Hello, all. Welcome back to my .NET YouTube channel. If anybody who are not subscribed, request to subscribe to the channel to get the most latest and updated Microsoft feeds and the news. Today, I will be introducing you one of the interesting library, which is Spector, which provides you um, a monitoring tool, which is very lightweight and easy to configure into your application, which does not need any licensing also because it is open source also, and it provides you a very beautiful UI to track your incoming and outgoing traffic. So let's get in quickly to see the demo. So here I'm already having a couple of the code which I'm using or I'm continuing the same code from my previous videos. If you guys have not yet saw my earlier videos, probably you guys can visit this um, visit my channel first and subscribe first, and then visit this video and see completely. So to learn minimal APIs, JSON file transactions, and also two database transactions, and also about Scalar, which provides you a beautiful UI for API testing. And let's come back to this topic where I'm referring spector.config. And if you guys can go to your and a get package manager and then search for Spector, and there it will give you a couple of information about the features and also how to install and use it. So when I come to my program file, so configuration very simple. You just need to have builder.service.api because I'm using minimal API, so I'm writing all the code in program.cs. If you guys are using some typical ASP.NET APIs, or then you guys can probably have this code in your startup file. But let me continue in minimal API demo application, and I'm configuring this endpoint just to get. I'm not configuring this in the base path, and I'm having a different path to access the Spectre UI. And in the same phase, I'm also configuring this scalar into a different path. So let's get back. Sorry, let's run the code and see how both the features works. Okay, I think my application is now running. So let's get back to the URL and see how the Spectre works. Slash Spectre. Wow, this application is running, and you guys can see the UI until it connects to the server or the application. Let us have another API runs, or the endpoint runs, which is scalar. Yeah. So let's go back and see. Wow, until by the way my API UI loads, so it already tracked all the incoming and outgoing URLs. So outgoing, it just traced whatever the content went to the endpoint, and in the incoming, how many gets, and yeah, any other request that I have sent it from the front end to the API endpoints. Let's clear all of these results and let's try a new one. So let's go to the orders and click on test result and then send the request. So here I got all the results here. So this works just like an front end application. And see, the application request got already tracked, and let us see what are all the things it got tracked. And then I'm seeing the orders endpoint, and the response is 200, and it's a type, the get type. And let us see the details. See, these are all the details that you guys are getting from this tool, and the start time and duration, how many seconds or milliseconds it took to get the results, and what are the results the server sent to the customer or the endpoint. Every information is here. So this is very useful. This provides you a very basic information, but still this is open source and you don't need to pay anything, and even it's very easy to configure. And even if you want to customize it more, it still has a couple of more features to customize, but I'm just keeping a minimal configuration just for the demo purpose. So mostly once you get this Spectre configured into your application, you guys can explore more. Hopefully this information is very useful for you guys. Here I'll be ending my video. Hope you guys have liked my video and the concepts. If you guys have liked it, please like my video and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll be seeing you all in the next very interesting video. And thanks for watching till now. Have a good day.